back on the road. We're heading on home. It's been a long week, man, and work just want us to stay just a little bit extra with the fire alarm going off. But we're back on the road. We're back going home. Thank God. It's been a long week. Hopefully you guys have an amazing time. It's been a while since I've done a motovlog. I've just been feeling a little out of it, but now we're getting back to it. Feels good, not gonna lie. Having some time to myself, playing some music, and just speaking to you guys. It's gonna be a fun weekend. It says it's gonna be good weather, so I'm definitely gonna be out more on the bike, on the R7, and maybe the Marauder as well. It's not insured right now, but I need to let it run for a bit, get some gas for it. And for some reason my music's stopping, and I think there's like an alarm going off on my phone, and that's probably causing the music to turn off. Hopefully it turns back on. If it doesn't, oh well, we're gonna ride with my thoughts in the exhaust. I keep trying to do semi. Feels good to see more bikers on the road. When we were out because the fire alarm and waiting for the fire truck to come in, man, there's so many the Harleys and cruisers coming by, a few sport bikes. I was like, man, it's finally bike season. Bike season's up early this year. I'm excited for that. Man, it made me really happy. I'm like, there's more bikers on the road. I'm finally not alone. Heading on home finally. Slowly getting used to the quick shifter. Feels like it needs to be around 4,500 RPM to actually make good use of it and not feel jerky. It feels like such a fantastic day. Not too cold, not too warm. It's like a perfect evening, man. Perfect afternoon. Oh man, I love this. Honestly, for today's ride, I don't really have much of an agenda. I'm just going home from work. It feels so good. This is like the first good day we're out on the Marauder. It's been rainy, cold, windy. It's like a first good ride on, sorry, not the Marauder, the R7. This is the first good ride on the R7. Oh my God, guys, it feels so good. I'm so happy we're back in good weather riding. The cold weather's fine and everything, but nothing beats a good weather day. Nothing beats this. Nothing beats this at all. Holy. I'm honestly having a blast right now on the R7. Oh man, it feels so good. It's like perfect riding weather. Yeah, my music's like stop. I can't hear anything. So, guess we're going without music, but hey, it's fine. We're having a blast. Holy. I'm liking this, guys. Anyways, I was on the Marauder for I started the Marauder up last night to get started because the battery, I thought the battery would be dead because the car's been off, because the bike's been off for so long. It's probably been like a month and a half, 2 months. Actually, not even 2 months. It's been like a month and a half that the bike's been off. But it started up after a couple of attempts. It is low on gas, so I need to get gas in it. But filled it up with some air because the front tire is leaking air. But I took it around the block, and guys, I forgot how much torque that thing is, like bottom end torque that thing has. Holy, it put a smile on my face all over again. I'm like, damn, I'm missing this. The R7 is nice, but the low end torque on that V-twin, oh man, you guys don't even know. You guys don't know, and if you know, you know. It's just 800, but man, that's my first bike, and the torque that thing has, like when you feel it grip the ground, like it bites the ground, holy guys, whole new experience. This thing's good too, and this thing has like middle to like top, and well, not even top range. It has like low to high mid range. Like all the power on this is in the middle. In the Marauder, all of it's pretty much at the bottom to the middle. Neither of my bikes are like a top speed or like a top end. Like most of the power's at the top end on either of them. So top end, it's just like pulling it, just pulling and pulling. But like on the low end, you can feel that thing bite, and holy, I was hooked all over again on that bike, and now I want an insure for that too, so I can have an option every morning. On day 1, take the R7, day 2, take the Marauder, do that. But for me to do that, guys, I need you guys to drop a like, watch the video till the end, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. It's such a beautiful day. Such an absolutely beautiful day. riding back from work to a nice evening, knowing the weekend is up ahead, no urgent things to do, no bills to pay, just a good warm weekend with your bike, a full tank of gas when I put gas in it, and just go out and ride and do whatever errands or chores that I feel like doing. Guys, magnificent weekend. Magnificent weekend. Honestly, I really hope the audio is actually doing justice. I'm trying to find a way to get rid of the wind noise. I think the best way for me to do that is upgrade my helmet to either Shoei or Bell. Probably get a Shoei. I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to find the best one for noise isolation. So there's not much wind noise coming in. So it's good for the mic as well. But I'm in due for a helmet for a long time now. So in 1 or 2 paydays, definitely picking up a new helmet. If you guys have any suggestions for what helmet I should get, leave a comment down below. Make sure it matches. Make sure it works for both the R7 and the Marauder. The blue or red, ideally red, but that probably wouldn't work with the R7. But it is what it is. If it has a mix of blue, a mix of red, and a bit of black, perfect for me, guys. Alright, I'm going to end this vlog here. I need to get home. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please do consider hitting the like button and subscribing down below. And thank you all for watching till the end. Check out many of my other videos. Let's get the watch hours up and let's get the show on the road. Alright guys, bike season's here and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Alright, adios. Love y'all.